my IQ, they brought me down to size academia blue. Louise is a girl, I know her well, she's up on the pavement. Yeah, she's a weather girl, I'm staying up here, so I may be undone. She's inappropriate, but then she's much more fun. And when she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain. She's got perfect skin. Shame on you, you got no sense of grace. Shame on me, just in case I might come to a conclusion other than that which is absolutely necessary, and that's perfect skin. With the perfect skin, she says turn on the light, otherwise it might get seen. She's got cheekbones like geometry and eyes like sin, and she's sexually enlightened by cosmopolitan. And when she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain toward her perfect skin, truly perfect. Takes me down to the basement to look at her slides of a family life. Pretty weird at times. At the age of 10, she looked like Greta Garbo, and I loved her then. But how was she to know that when she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain? She's got perfect skin. Up 8 flights of stairs to a basement flat, pretty confused time, being shipped around like that. Seems we climbed so high, now we're down so low. Strikes me the moral of this song must be there never has been